Basecamp Tutorial for Beginners, how to use Basecamp project management software. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on Basecamp, how to use Basecamp to create your own workspace, manage your task and team. So let's get started. First, of course, if you do not have an account on Basecamp, you can go ahead and sign up right now. Click on try it out for free and you will get a free trial. Signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your name, email address, organization name, and then set up a password. So once you sign up for Basecamp, this is where you will get. Now, this is my dashboard on Basecamp. You can see right here, I have signed up. And now I will be able to show you how you can go ahead and use Basecamp. It's a really amazing platform and a very different platform from other project management software because it has its own, slangs and it has its own wording. So the main options that we get on Basecamp are home, which is like our main dashboard. This is going to be our home. Then we have lineup, pings, hey, activity, and my stuff. Now, lineup means all of your upcoming tasks. Pings mean your inbox, and then similarly we have activities. Now activities mean whatever is happening in Basecamp, you will be able to check it right here. And my stuff means all the tasks that are assigned to me, I will be able to check them here. So to get started with Basecamp, we need a new project. Let's click on new project and create a brand new project on Basecamp. Let's call it test, and in description I'm just going to write the word description for now. Click on create this project and your brand new project will be created. So once a project is created on Basecamp, these are the main options that we get. We have a message board, to-dos, documents and files, campfire, schedule, and automatic check-ins. So let's go ahead and check them out one by one. So the first board that you need to go to is going to be a message board. Now message board is where I can go ahead and add different announcements, I can add different messages, and this is going to be like our main inbox where we can actually talk about work. Let's go ahead and actually write a new message, which is going to be an announcement. I will call it important and I will say, welcome, this is our new project. I can also go ahead and customize it the way I like to make it like more cool, and we have other options too. I'm adding a link and we can add a text as long as we like. Click on post this message and this message will be added right here in our message board. Now every team member will be able to check this message right here from me and they can also comment about it. So we're done with the message board. This is how easy it is to use a message board. I can just go back and I can add as many messages as I like, and I can edit this one. We have bookmarks, we have copy, put in trash, or others. So let's go back. Now you can see in our message board, we have our one message that I just added. Let's move on to our to-dos. Now this is where I will be able to make a list, set due dates, and add items, assign them to my team members. Click on to-dos and it will open up a new to-do board for me. Here, the first thing that we need to do is add a list. Let's go ahead and add a new list and call it work. Perfect. Click on add this list, and a new list will be created. Now you can see I have a list known as work and it has 0 tasks. I can now add different tasks to my list. It's very easy to use. Let's call it task 1. We can assign it to someone, type in their name. There you go. Then we have an automation as well. When done, notify. So here we add different team members. Then we have due dates. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a due date as well. And then we have notes. In notes, I can type whatever I like. Now, once you're done, click on add this to do and it will be added. Now I can go ahead and add another task. And there you go. We have 3 tasks added. You can see total number of tasks. Once a task is done, you can check it and it will show you that how many tasks you have actually completed. So this is actually a very minor thing, but I really like this about Basecamp. Again, we have our edit, move, archive, put in trash, bookmark option right here. Once you're done with your to-do list, we can now go back. So you can see we have tasks here to do. Now we have documents and files. Documents and file is where I can go ahead and add any of my contracts, documents, files for all of my team to see, and they will be able to access everything here. We add different assets, different videos, or any kind of document we want. Click on new and it will allow you to share a new document. You can also start a new document if you like. We can upload files. We can add links from Airtable, Basecamp, Dropbox, Figma, Google Drive, iCloud Drive, and others. So to upload a file, just click on upload files and it will open up the files in your computer. So I'm gonna just upload this one. You can see a file is being uploaded. So now I can actually post this on the project if I like. So that's what I'm gonna do. And everyone in this project will be able to see this file here. You can see how good it looks, and this is like a PDF file, and now it's been added and everyone can get access to documents and files. So this is done. Let's go back. There you go. You can see we have our documents here. Then we have Campfire. So Campfire is like our team chat. Now this is not like our messages. In messages, you get a message and you can comment on it. That's like an announcement. This is our usual chat that we can do. So I can just send a message. Hi, how are you doing? So this is how we can chat, and my other team members will also be able to chat with me. This is like our own Campfire that we get. So this is like really easy to use. We can also add emojis and we can send whatever message we like. Then we have our schedule. So schedule is where I will be able to check my different tasks that I have already scheduled, or I can create a new event. Let's go to new event and add a new event, which is going to be starting from this date till this. So we select a time, then we have with, and we can add different team members. Click on post this event and a new event will be scheduled. You can see I can add as many events as I like, and we're getting a calendar view right here. Then last we have automatic check-ins. Now this is for recurring questions. You can go ahead and just post a question for different people so that you don't need to ask them again and again that what's happening, or if there is a question you ask every day, you can just add it right here. This is going to be like an automatic check-in that you can do. So I actually want to ask a question to all my team members once they're done. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in a question. Have you completed your work? So this is going to be my question. Now I have two options. How often do you want to ask? Well, I will be asking this question daily from Monday till Friday. Perfect. And then we have at what time of the day. So I'm going to pick a time, and it is going to be when we're actually done with our work, and it's going to be on 4:50. Let's go with 4:30 p.m. Perfect. So this is when I will be asking them a question. Are you done with your work? And I don't need to ask this every day and type in. So I will just click on start collecting answers. And now I have my automation right here. They will answer me every day. Every person in my team at 4:30, they will be asked this question by me and they will answer me. So this is how we automate work on Basecamp. Basecamp is a really amazing platform. I love Basecamp and I personally use it as well. You can see we have a question, and the main thing is it's really easy to use. So you can see we have our project ready. I have everything here. I have my message board to do, Campfire scheduled, and automatic check-ins. We also get our activities here, and then we have my stuff. So let's go back to home, and this is where you will be able to see all of your new projects. To invite people, click on invite and you will be able to invite with their email address. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Basecamp as a complete beginner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.